Today I'm going to solve and explain one of the parts of our mathematics project, which is in term 2 for grade 12. The part that I'm going to solve today, which is part 3, which is about the bridges. First of all, they are saying that Muhammad and Salim study a drawing of an ornamental bridge such as the one shown at the right as what's coming on our paper. It shows an elliptical arch that spans a narrow strait of water. The arch they are studying can be modeled by the following formula. The formula that they are giving us is, which is x squared over 182.25 plus y squared over 132.25 equal to 1. And this is the formula for an ellipse. And they are saying that they are giving us that the value of a squared is 182.25 and the value of b squared is 132.25. As clearly shown that the value of the center h and k is 0, 0. So the first question says that Muhammad wants to know the dimensions of the arch. The first question is separated into several parts. The first part, which is says that which term in the equation define the horizontal axis. What I'm saying that the value that the term that defines an horizontal is the value of a, because the a is the highest value between b and c. So as the a comes with the under the value, it's under it. It says that it's an horizontal or vertical, but here it's an horizontal axis. For part B, they are saying that write a comparative statements to show whether the major axis of the arch is horizontal or vertical. What I'm saying, it's an horizontal because the longest length that's in the figure as what I said, it's the longest length in the figure, so that's the major axis will be the most highest and the longest. So part C, they are saying that Muhammad says that the width of the bridge is 30.5 feet. Is he correct? He is wrong, because the value of a will be the square root of the a squared that they are giving us in the first formula, which is square root of 182.25 equal to will be equal to 13.5, which is the half value of the major axis. So what he's saying is wrong, because the full length will be much longest than what he's saying. The final part will be for this question, part D. They are saying that write an expression for the height of the bridge. The height will be the value of the b, not 2b, because the other part will be only the reflection of the bridge. So as what I'm going to find the value of b. It will be square root of the value that they have given us in the first of the description, 132.25. The square root of this number will be 11.5 feet. So the value of b will be 11.5. Now I'm going to move to the second question. They are saying that Salim notes that this bridge is hardly high enough to pass under while standing up in the moderate size boat. If he were to build a bridge, it would be at least 1.3 times as wide and twice as high. So what they are saying, that the value of a will be multiplied by 1.3, which is the width. So the value of it is 13.5. It will be multiplied by 1.3. We will get 17.55. And they are saying that the height is twice, so we multiply it by 2. So b will multiply by 2, and the value of b is 11.5. It it will be multiplied by 2, we will get 23. This is the new values of a and b. And now the part A that says find the vertices and the co-vertices. I'm first going to find the vertices. First value of the vertex will be h plus a comma k. So as we know, the center is 0 0, which is h and k. So 0 plus the value of a, the value of a is 17.55, and the value of k is 0. So the first vertex will be 17.55 comma 0 0 comma 0. So the second vertex will be the same, but it will be the opposite with minus sign. So minus 0, 0 minus 17.55 comma 0. So we'll get minus 17.55 comma 0. So I'm going to find now the co-vertices. The first co-vertex will be h comma k plus b, because the co-vertex will be on the it will be vertical, so the changes will be on the k. Co-vertex 1 will be the value 0 comma 0 plus the value of b, which is 11.5. No, it will be 23, and it will be 0 comma 23, and the second co-vertex will be the same, but will be minus 23. So 0 minus 23, it will be 0 comma minus 23. So the final thing that they are saying, which is in part B, they want us to write the equation for the design of Salem bridge using his minimum dimensions. So it will be, as we are having the values of a and b, so it will be easy to us to write the equation. As the equation for ellipse starts with x minus h square over the value of a, because it's an horizontal, plus y minus k square over b square, which is equal to 1. So as we know, the value of the center is 0 0, so it will be x minus 0 square plus y minus 0 square, and the value under the x will be, which is the value of a. The value of a, which will be 17.55 square, and the value of b, it will be 23 square, equal to 1. So that's the final equation that's needed for this part. So that's the end of this video. I hope that you enjoyed and you have get more info on it. Thank you for watching.